how to add custom fonts into Elementor. So we want to open up the WordPress dashboard for our website. Hover over Elementor and then go into custom fonts. Now we will need to create a new font family. So I will just call it test font. And we will need to click on add font variation. Now here you will be able to see that we can upload WOFF file, WOFF2 file, TTF file, SVG file, or EOT file. Now it will show us what each format is best used for. I'll just upload a WOFF file. So I'm just going to click on upload. I already have it selected here, but I've just clicked on upload files, select files, and I found my font file. So we're going to add it right here, and then we can just publish this. Now, as you can see, this loads up the font, and now we can use it in the Elementor editor. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.